Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I need Mixup and Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy have me and get a beard with the same rag.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
This is the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Check. Take it on now. Bong, say low, big up on yourself, you know. Oh, yeah, this thing a sound, no, yeah. You know, we hear when it echo, you know, amazing. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, you know, everything all right, you know, and I cool and thing, large up on yourself, people. Big up for big up and thing, dash and thing, and I don't know the thing said. I'm in name Ragashanti, and me and my mama last pick, now the wash belly and thing, me, her soul rest in peace. Miss Cherry to the flipping world, I want to some people them for know. Alright, big up all who forget big up there, if you know, see your beard and smell fresh, everything. And everything is everything. Run an arm check, smell your armpit right now and all these things. Now, check your foot back and see if your foot back look shameful and disgusting. Do something about it. Christmas will come. If your foot back chamber and favor them back of them dumper chuck down, whatever we carry cement and all these things, you may need to do something. Don't go into the new year with it, them way there. Yo, people, you know, I think that is common lately. You ever see people at work and I talk to somebody in them with them phone, but them a cuss a person? No. The amount of time you hear some angry people are shouting, you know, them a cuss somebody in the phone, you know. Like them a cuss them woman or a cuss them man. It's a regular occurrence out there now, you know. Yeah, quite often I see that. You know, somebody, you know, a cuss her man, she a cuss her, or them a cuss them woman or something or whatever. And I'm done with you. I've done so much for you. I've done so much for you. And look what you did to me. I've done so much for you. I made so many sacrifices for you. I can't believe, sir. You drink off the whole of a cornmeal porridge. I'm done. But gonna get the point. Regular thing, man. Stress attack people out there. And them just a curse people in them phone. They are cursing people in their phones. Pan the train, and them not care, you know, it's like a New York thing, right? It's a New York thing. It's like people just loud. You don't know me loud already when me I entertain. Because I tell you all the while, you know. You know, so when I tell people I'm quiet, them not believe me. Jordan, President Day tonight, Jordan. Jordan, you believe me I'm quiet? You don't believe me, don't? Most people don't know. I'm a very quiet person, you know. Quiet to the point where some people say I'm boring. Yeah, enough people that believe me. When I entertain, in fact, I like Woody Panais, you know. I don't like Woody Panais, right? All of the women them I'm there with them can't tell you. Me no in a nice is something them. Me no like nice woman. The only time woman for make nice unless me put it on them. And then you know you give me that little ego pump there and thing and me feel like me are the man. Cause you did I make nice and all these things and whatever. We guys like that. But it has to be real. It has to be real. Ladies, some of you out there, because you know say is a Jamaican thing. If man say them don't want dead work, right? Jamaican men don't like dead work. So what happen is, no for a woman, wanna not do it, on feel say, on must appease the Jamaican man. On feel say, on must stroke his ego. On feel say, you must make sure say that man don't leave and believe say him get dead work from you. And what some of you do, you start make up a whole heap of fake noise. A whole heap of fake noise. Ladies, there is nothing more a bigger turn off in a sort out than when you make fake noise and nothing no go so. It only works for us men if we believe, say, the noise that uno make is we genuinely cause uno fear make that noise there. It's so it work for we. So if you go and pretend, you have to be such a convincing pretender that when we are here uno make up a noise, it must sound real. It must feel real. When you now make up fake noise, it's a turn off. See, the Anthropologist I see him, so Mission stay. Mission, if you cut it out. Cut it out. The fake noise is a turn off. You know, so one time I go get look at Juju from one girl or whatever, and think I go so boom, 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 she live a sound. I'm going to go be a lyrics in her ears and all these things and whatever, and rate thing. I'm going to live in one place named Drumblair, Jamaica. And I say, yo, I carry her up on the engine, and she say, yeah, man, and whatever, come I give her beer talk for a long time, and we in a dance, and wind up on me and all these things and whatever. So we go so I carry her up on my engine, and we jump in her crib and whatever, and this and that. And when we go so now, if we go and go there, bro, and start take off our clothes, me and my girl upon, oh, Jesus Christ. What? I say, I want me to you. I want me to you. All right, cool. And we did go on, you know, look at troops, and look at this and that and whatever, and look at tongue sword fight go on, and all these things and whatever, and whatever. And then we go so bop around. And when my boat for work, she's like, Lord Jesus Christ, why? Lord God, and she start running up and down around the room and whatever this and that. Lord Jesus, so we are running up and down, so Lord God knows that too big. Right. Now, people, I know so I don't have a itsy bitsy teeny weeny. But I know so I do not have a monstrosity either. So I know so what she say, it wasn't any reason for she a kill a person, but I know exactly what I want. Lord Jesus Christ, why? Lord, no, I don't know if I can't do that. I say, my girl, stop it running up and down. Stop it running up and down and turn to there, stop it foolishness. Stop the foolishness. Nothing but you think, say, she have to give me that ego pump there thing and run from it. And I mean, you know, if you go run her down and hold her and do that Jamaican, so I want to stop it. Listen to me, some of you know a fake it thing, I want to can't even fake it good. Now, you don't know, say we keep it real. A lot of women out there on the fake orgasms. We know so on the fake orgasm. We know that on the fake orgasms. Now, at the risk of sounding like I'm contradicting myself, I'm going to say the following. sometimes a little bit of, embellishment and a little, it works. Some woman who fake orgasm, you know how to fake orgasm good. Some women who fake orgasm, them know how not to overdo it or not to underdo it. But some of the women out there, when in a fake, women, we talk about these things, Guys talk about these things. Ladies, you think I alone sit down and can sometimes discuss some of the issues with man. More time women we reason about the thing them too and whatever and all them something. You understand, right? Some of the ladies, if you have a fake orgasm, oh God, man, get good at it. Get good at it. But the problem is, some of the fake orgasm, only if you fake something one never had yet. Why? Me step on somebody can. What I did? How if you fake something what someone never have yet? When I fake something one never have yet. I don't know why someone I fake it down. Because you never have it and no one the man them to believe so I have it or fake it. But it's a circular contradiction. Because the people who can fake something, in order to fake something, you have to already know what that something is. It is fun. It is categorically impossible to fake something if you don't know. You can't fake something and you don't know what it is. But yet, when you have fake orgasm, you fake it good, right? Somehow, you fake the orgasm and you make the something too quick. Imagine you dead and thing and the general a wine and a send on the thing. And you say you have a fake orgasm. And what you do? You go, son. What was that? What was that? What was that? You don't do it too quick. Even if you don't make no noise, you don't go too quick. Eh? Me come. Like, seriously? That don't work. That don't work. They have somehow not be a nice to make and whatever, like you don't want deaf all people or whatever when it not happen. Lord, me a dead. Why? It's like, oh, come on, be quiet. Stop it. And you know what is interesting? Because some of you are so focused on faking it, and you have resigned yourself to faking it all the time, you fail to realize that you no longer make yourself open to actually, for real, enjoying it. You already put up a block. You already have a script that you're going to follow. And your adherence to that script precludes you from actually enjoying it when you have somebody that will give you attention and all these things and whatever. Remember, sort out is mental. At the end of the day, it's mental. It's psychological. It's your mind. So if you have a script where you are follow, the fake script, and all your faculties are focused on playing out that fake script, there is no room in your mind to actually receive the real organic thing where you might enjoy. Ladies, if you have a fake orgasm, for example, women know there is a buildup. Somehow no fake how don't get the buildup. How no fake orgasm how don't do the buildup. The buildup of it. When you not do the buildup, you know say it start little bit. It start itsy bitsy teeny and then it build, yeah. Look at word start. Yeah, right. Right, this a don't move. Some look at someone, right, this a don't move. And then now, You know, you see the... Oh, sidebar. Just a reminder. Man don't make woman come. It's woman make themselves come. Man just help woman to make themselves come. Women who have real orgasm know exactly what I'm talking about. Let me say it again. Many of you are of the misconception that is man make woman have orgasm when sex are gone. Is not man make woman have orgasm. When woman have orgasm, is woman make themselves come. Man just help them to make themselves come. And women who have orgasm can't tell you. You know, a man who know what me talk about can't tell you. You have some women when them have orgasm, them a do things. You see them a shift them body. You see them a move up or a pull down or whatever. Them a do look at things because they're making it happen. And you as a man, you know, you have to listen to her body, listen to her movements and all these things, all right? And you have to kind of get in a rhythm where, I know this going to sound cliche, but it's true, where two becomes one, where you're so melded with her, like you feel her and you know her thing and whatever, you not rush it, you're not too caught up with yourself and whatever, and you take your time and you pay. You know that look something there, whatever, right? Is woman make themselves come. Man help woman to make themselves come. It follows then, ladies, you have to know how to make yourself come. You have to know how to get a man to help you to come. And it's not just big penis, do it and them something. That's how the thing work. Every woman different. Right? So anyway, back to the build-up. So one of that ladies who have fake orgasm, somehow you miss the build-up. You're missing the build-up. Right? The build. Okay, come on, bro. Stop. OMG, that was so good. That was. Yo, come on, ladies, come on, man. You know where. Come on, ladies. Allow me to tell Ragashanti know what I'm talking about, though. Come on, ladies. Yeah, man. So you see, if you're not going to fake it, you have to catch a build up, man. You have to catch a build up. Somehow you not fake it out, you just dry, so. You just dry, so. Somehow you not fake it out, you come in like a full-blown record will last 10 seconds. Hello, where's the build up? Right? I don't know it go with una woman too, I know it go. Phone thing, take a time for build up to the crescendo. Yes, you don't love the arms house. Jordan, you know see how the chat get busy. You know see how the chat get busy. Yeah, man, and them little jam I don't love. But anyway, so I want to get the point. if you have fake orgasm for your man, your husband, your banner man, your upfront man, you understand or whatever, you got to get the build-ups in there. Hello? That is essential. It's critical. All right. So later when we open the phone line, when you call him about anything when you want to call him about. But we want ladies, we don't want to be afraid. We want to call in and give it on the best fake orgasm. Like we turn up a thing tonight. Right? Call in and give on the best fake orgasm. Now we have a little disclaimer, a little qualifier for throwing at the thing. We have two set of people out there now who are listening to this right now and you're experiencing a little bit of discomfort, some awkwardness and whatever. And perhaps you're now making the cardinal mistake most people make in this situation, which is once they're feeling some sort of disparity with something, once they're experiencing some sort of dissonance with something, once they're feeling some sort of discomfort and awkwardness in something, what do? You look for resolution to that matter outside of you, when really you should be looking inside of you. Now, for those of you who are experiencing this, do not listen and say that I am disgusting and you can't believe me they're on radio with this and whatever this and that. No. You are the one that is uncomfortable with it. What I'm doing here is fun. There's nothing wrong with it. And if you would just lighten up a little bit, appreciate the humor in it, appreciate the opportunity to also learn something, because learning doesn't necessarily have to be book-based. The term intellectual has been arrested solely in the context of academia and books, when such is not the case. To be intellectual is to be concerned and disposed in knowledge. Knowledge does not exist exclusively in the citadels of academia. How to plant yam the right way, that is knowledge. Your discussion of it can be intellectual. How to iron your shirt, that is knowledge. How to iron your pants, that is knowledge. The discussion of it can be intellectual. You can do interesting things in discussing how to iron properly. You could say, well, from an intellectual standpoint, there is some psychocultural properties associated with ironing where Jamaicans place a greater emphasis on ironing pleats and seam properly. And there is some identity dynamics associated with that. Because failure on your part to iron your clothes properly and to iron the seams and the pleat properly could result in an indictment against you about how much of a man or how much of a woman you are. And here you are, you're being intellectual about ironing. And you don't have to be talking about the GDP this and Socrates that and whatever. So you can be intellectual in talking about how to give the right, how to do an orgasm the right way. Another mistake many of you make, you assume that to be intellectual or to be progressive or whatever, it cannot involve humor. Many believe that once you start joking on something like that, then it's not serious. Wrong. There's very few things more serious than good humor. Sounds like a contradiction, doesn't it? But that's just the point. So, if you're experiencing some resistance, particularly just now when you just heard my approximation of an orgasm and things like that, lighten up, okay? Loosen up your body, shake up your hand, wiggle up yourself, allow yourself to have fun. Look at it this way. You are presently listening on the radio or on your phone or someplace and whatever. You have the luxury of anonymity. So you're not in an audience where everybody is watching you. You're not on a stage where everybody is watching you. which means you have the opportunity to just lighten up and relax, okay? So we're going to have a good show tonight. And for those of you who are a little bit uptight about it, you can enjoy the show. Despite what may seem at times, hopefully, to be some outrageous behavior that we may well engage in for the rest of the show. Just relax on yourself, right? And we're going to take, after we take a break and we come back and we go to the phone line. We want ladies, don't fret. Just call in and give it your best fake orgasm. And we will have a little discussion about it and see if your thing are going for you, if your fake orgasm turn up or if it pop down. Right? Because if you're going to do something, do it good. So if you're going to fake something, fake it good. Even though the fake thing gone on another level. Jordan, me I tell you, so what do you mean one woman had done her next woman, you know, about her body, you know, and her breasts, you know. And she said, you know, see her fake breast look fake. Her fake breast don't even look real. She don't have a real fake breast. It's a fake breast. Jordan, I nearly die when the woman said that to her. And there's a society there, you know, that you have real fake and fake. So it's still fake, you know. It's just that you have real fake and fake. Right? So when we say that guy a little bit too far, and that what I just engaged in just now, that was an intellectual discourse. And thing. But anyway, it's Ragashanti live on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica and also on IrieJam radio here in New York City. It's a simulcast on a Friday night. We have two cars. Bring in one of them, Carl. I could see what going. No, well, I could leave it up. Oh, wait there. Huh? This? What there? All right, then. Yeah. Bring in the Carl. I could hear what going. Hello.
Reggae.
Yes, Mr. Coombs. What?
How you do? I have the best video today.
Yeah.
Call and listen, everybody.
Yeah.
All right, listen me now. Me and Indian, me not carrying a big tool, right? My screwdriver is small. But me deal with...
When you say your screwdriver small, your tool not big?
No.
Okay, all right, yeah.
But woman, the experience, I believe, and based on what I heard, me a long time in the power there.
Yeah.
I mean, listen, people.
Yeah.
March, woman, me I'll see it. Woman that born in the middle of March and so. They were the most powerful one out in the garden.
The March woman, them you say are the most powerful what?
Yeah, in the garden field, when I come and feel work.
When them a ball out and think, March woman are the loudest woman when them come?
And them no care, no, I would tell them to come. You have to put it on, no.
Yeah, okay.
Donkey ball march, you know. If it's donkey month, you have to change your rope, you know.
What you say, donkey ball march? Most donkey ball march?
No, I wouldn't say donkey ball march. Donkey season and march month. And donkey have to change your rope and put on chain. And then bite up the rope and kill my donkey.
Okay, them bite up it. Yeah, me notice sick. And cat do that too. You know, the cat them do that. When them do it, them bite the woman and put it on.
Yeah, they say, cat do it like man and woman.
Okay. So you can't make a sound with the woman and make Mr. Combs?
No, I make sound like a woman.
Then you don't know, then look for when you there whole and I start out to me. You must know the sound them with the woman them. Make it sound, Mr. Combs, make it sound look a bit where the woman them make, man.
No, for the woman, fool them, man, and make them feel good and say the man yard.
Yeah, well, yeah. We know them fool them, but some of them good on the sound.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the sound? What is the sound?
All you say can't do is and ball out. Yeah. Right? All you say man can't do that.
Yeah.
And the woman, but the woman tell the woman to go up and bust.
So you can't make look like sound, Mr. Combs, before we go to our next caller. Come, man.
No, you can't make sound, but this me now. The march, woman say, the best time they feel good when you both of them pop at the same time.
No, that's a regular, that's every woman. Most women stays.
When I tell you what me know, most women say when I tell you anything. Anyway, maybe you want different one now.
You know, say your phone, something wrong with your phone, do you know?
Me don't know what going on, sir. I don't know what you wish you remember by February.
All right,
I
well,
just upgrade you, so put it
all
by
right,
internet thing.
all right, Mr. Coombs, a Friday night, so remember now, we're not here for, I try to keep up your energy, and you can be the first one call right now, so.
Let me give one score. Me want you want to hear me?
We nah hear you good, Mr. Coombs, your phone nah.
All right, thank you. All right.
Yeah, all right, yeah. Me don't know I want me to him phone, you know, him phone nah go on good there and thing. But Mr. Coombs say a March woman, I think. Mr. Coombs say when it come to certain things, a March woman the thing there. Well, me hear what I'm saying, but I happen to know say a September me born, you know. But you see December woman, Sagittarius woman them and the Scorpio woman them too in a November. The end of year woman them man. For them thing na normal, you know. For them thing na normal. This year la season here. Me say them must know why they make all Sagittarius at the end of the year with the holiday and whatever. Because December woman them thing na me I tell you man. Right? Them wear drape and collar in your neck and all. They have all brace them and all these things. Anyway, we have our next caller, Jaran. Hello. Yes, hello. Hello. Somebody there on the phone and not talking. Hello. All them are listening. Hear this, the voice you come in, man. We don't hear no energy. I kill no one kill my vibes another Friday, man. Hello.
Yeah,
yeah, wow.
Yeah,
Stop listening to the radio, no big man. Yeah, slow up your thing.
yeah, nah, listen to the radio, you know, the them know them ones, you know.
Yeah. All right, real quickly, my general. Me want you, one on man. Me want you make a sound the woman them make when you put it on them and the real sound they make when them pop off.
Yeah, you know, one in some of them are all Lord when Scotch Bunny touch them, you know.
Yeah, make me hear now. You make a sound when the Scotch Bunny touch you. Make a sound.
Boy, I would have to get more of it, that sound there, you know.
Then call mama now. What mama there?
I have to go show mama like Joe, lucky more for me, you know.
You know something I hear nothing what you say a while ago.
Like Joe grind lucky more for me, you know. I will try to get mama.
What you mean? Joe grind where your woman from you?
Yeah, be things that one.
No, they make a look of sound when mama make when you put on the Scotch bonnet pan her, man.
You know, say I want Japanese sound, I don't remember.
No, one Japanese. Just make it sound, man. Just make the sound before me take your break. Make it sound, man. Come, man. Make it sound, man. Real thing.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, just make it sound a little bit. Just make, man. Yeah, make we hear.
Yeah, one ladies, them number, and I see one.
No. We are going to cut you off right now. Clown, you come around up, me thing, man. I talk to you, and you have a leave number and whatever. But I want, I tell you, I say, some on the man, I'm mashing the walk, come mash up. Ain't nobody with it, you know, when nobody call and go like, couldn't walk, come mash up this, but leave number, whatever, you know. This is not for no come look no woman, you know. We don't want nobody call, this and that, but, you know, look, and I pull like Robert something there, you know. The way, hey, anybody try that again, Robert get banned. Robert, you better pray. Robert, you better pray. Nobody no call and call. What this? Bring this up. And down. Oh. They wanna can't leave. We can't leave it up. They leave it up, you know. Yeah, man. Know yourself, man. Them know if you run it down at Jamaica, them, man, and all these things. All right, here we go on. We're going to hold a break, and then we'll come back. We're going to keep up the energy and whatever, and we're going to go back to our thing. God, you know, we get too cold, we kind of depressed down the thing little bit, and we need a Friday energy there, I have no control over who call. That's why I just have to work with it and thing and whatever. But we know in that foolishness, you know, nobody can but you not leave number for look woman and whatever. And sitting, you know, because Bonaman grind where your woman from you. Like, seriously. Yeah, we're going to break. We're so forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Back in the juggling with up another Friday energy and thing for Ragashanti live on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica and also IrieJam Radio here in New York City with yours truly, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti. That would be me. All right, I would have put a thing right now. I'm not just calling about anything I want calling about, but at the same time, I think we want the ladies them calling and give away your best fake orgasm sound, your best fake orgasm sound. I'm going to see if you're good on that like that. You understand? Okay, if you're calling from New York, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. No, some of them are afraid of them look for do them look something, man. You know, just relax, man, right? I am very much aware that I am, quite liberated and comfortably in my skin to joke around in certain ways that many of you find inhibited and, somewhat scared and afraid to do and things like that. But give yourself some reprieve tonight and just do the thing, man. All right? All right. Give me a call. Hello. Hello.
Yo.
Yo, Wagwan.
Wagwan.
There I give thanks in a way I say.
I go to my Saudi.
Go to man. Yeah, Wagwan. Go to man. Go to yeah. Yeah.
Why climate change? That's why I'm sure about.
It got some man saying. Saying.
So my life, you know, my type of girls, them full of fake,
Them full of fake, no.
What? My life when they fake, because when they fake, I find that in a man. 10 times I put on in a man, I roll over man, I pure white, I
okay, Gucci man. So what you say, even when the woman them are fake and whatever, you know, man, you put it on harder, though.
Yeah, okay. Because when I'm fake, they feel like they will come quicker or something like that.
No, it's just a thing in a Jamaica, There's this thing and them say, Jamaican man are like dead work and things. So the woman them know, them make an effort for give the man dead work. And I saw them end up and make up a whole heap of nice and thing. And yeah.
And them body still now move.
Oh, I saw you pick it up. When them make a whole heap of nice and them body now move down. What you say? Them just make one bag of nice and them body just stiff. Gucci man. Come on, Gucci man. Don't go around the thing, Me just want you give me the best sound where you can make, where you know the woman they make. Like, how them sound?
Well, one time I played one in a bed and
yeah.
When I played the thing, man, in Barn in August,
Yeah, she born
and I said, which one you born again? And I start the most and I can't look up to my head. You can't hear.
What you say?
The first part of August.
She said she born the first part of August, no?
Yeah. Can't say August.
Can't say August. Can't the August. Can't come out, no? Because you put it on. All right, Papa.
Yo.
Yeah.
Because I'm too strong to so because I'm busy for the road.
All right, now say a word, man, and big up yourself for your Earth Strong tomorrow. Saying Gucci, man. Big up yourself down there, Spanish Town and Jamaica. All right, large up, okay? I saw the thing said. Gucci, man, to the world. All right. We have, hey, New Yorkers, man, I want to be afraid for Carleen, Not just Carleen, man. We want to hear. All right, give me that call. Up here, Sir Jordan. Give me that call. Give me that one. Up here, New York. Give me that call. Jordan. Give me that call. Up here. Yeah, see that. Hello. No. Just make them stay up this.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, greetings from New York.
Yeah, Wagwan. Listen, darling, move away from the radio. Yeah. We're not supposed to hear the radio behind you. Yeah? Around you. Yeah?
Okay.
Move her from the radio. Or turn it off. Carla, hurry up now.
Yeah, so we are saying now.
Yeah, I want to hear your best fake orgasm thing now. I want you just do it nice and neat and thing, alright? Carla.
Yeah, because
Stop listening to the radio. Don't listen to the radio. You're getting a delayed broadcast. Don't try to listen yourself. Just focus and listen to me and with me and you talk, alright?
yeah, man, I listen to you now.
Alright, yeah, just yeah, alright then. Cool. So when I say, I want to hear a nice fake orgasm sound from you now.
Well, like, when my fuck me, but it's like...
No, you can't use a F word. Oi, well I know. You can't use a F word upon the radio, yeah? Yeah?
Sorry.
All right. You understand?
Yeah, sorry.
You can't use them strong word there, yeah? All right.
All right.
So we just want to hear the sound. All right, make we hear the sound.
I say, I'm like, yo, I'm upset in my mind. Say, I hope you make it down, hurry up and come.
Well, talking on the phone. When I hear you, talk a little louder. Make we hear the sound when you make now. Make we hear the sound again.
I say,
I want that you do. No. I want that you do it because that don't sound right. That don't sound right at all.
yeah, come on, him hurry up and come off and make him boring.
Him boring. And you want him hurry up and come on for you. Another sound that you make?
Yeah.
No, well, actually, we never make we hear the sound again because I don't think of that sound. Make we hear the sound again. No, differently still, me know how you feel now, you know. You know, say that sound right. I know that sound that was like a dry bowl of sound, not even water go with that sound and whatever. You say him boring. If I saw you sound and whatever, it might go boring because that not sound right. I keep it real with you, you know. I keep it real tonight, you know. That sound there a while I go kill body, you know.
Well, I feel body dead.
I feel... Wait, so when you say him not give you no vibes? No, say body, yeah?
No.
Say body. All right. Him not give you no vibes, no? So, me I say, so when you get it good, though, like what kind of sound you make?
I say, yes, write the song.
You say, yes, write the song. That you say, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, respect and blessings, here.
All right.
All right. Jordan, I will give a joke. Jordan, I dead. Yo. Next call. Hello.
Nah, no close, Raga.
What going too cute?
Me never fear it yet, you know, but when it nice, me say, Kev.
No, when it nice, you say, Kev. No, so that not sound like it a nice, yo.
Of course, you're not easy, Raga.
No. It can't a nice, you know, man. Kev. Listen how it sound. Yeah, that's right, exactly. Here you laugh. Kev. That sound like, you know, a monastery, and I said the thing them over and over with the monk them say.
Kevin, me just say
Kev. And what that? No.
It nice.
It nice. A lie tell. Lie tell. No, man, I say, if it a go on good and you find yourself and make up a afraid for do it. And you make up a sound, them, man. What the sound when you make when you come in? Know you get good start out already, man. I have to ask. So I say, what the sound you make when you pop off?
When me I come,
yeah.
I say, Jesus,
Yeah.
Oh, my.
No, you see that drought part there, that's true. That, no, yeah, so that drought part they go on for true, you know. It's like, you know, ha, 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 ha. The drought part there, yeah.
Oh, yeah, so nice.
Yo!
But what on there? I want to multi-talented she a cry wish night. Somebody beat her.
You know, so I'm going to keep it real. You know, so I never think that crying they did real. No, man, I think that crying they did put...
Cheer her up, she start laugh again. Miss Lady, when anybody a throw a punchline, throw it back. I want to see you come boy and cry.
Yeah. I tell her, I say, you a thick skin and broad back I do it. You can't come around and go on like you're a baby. When you're there on Raga show, if somebody take it to you, you take it back to them. Just keep it clean. Just keep it clean. Yeah. And things.
You only want to say you not can lift up your skirt over the program and then something there.
Exactly. But you know, you go say boom and counter attack. You understand?
Yeah.
But you did think that the balling they did real. Me never think multi-talented balling did real.
It never real 2 seconds and then she start laugh again.
Then I see me pick it up and shut that down right there. I say, what you do? Yo, nobody when come and say we no balling, man. Come in, say the balling never real. Right? The balling, they just designed for kind of, and you see me start crying to you, I just want to cry, whatever. All right, listen to that secret, yeah.
Yeah.
You see, when somebody say them I do something about them, announce what them say them I do before, it's usually never true, right? So once you hear them announce it, you just know. If somebody a ball, them just ball, you know. If them a ball, them just ball. Them not say, me a go ball now, or, you know, once you hear them announce it, once they're contained enough to announce say them a go ball, then it's not like a genuine feeling. There is some sort of superficiality there, artificiality.
Real ball, you couldn't control her. She would just have to hang up.
Yeah, me know. Listen to me, a man a long time. Me know there are enough general woman and thing. Me know woman who can ball pan cue. Me know fake ball. Me know real ball. Me know half a real, half a fake ball. Me know did fake and it turn in a real. Me know did real and it turn in a fake. And thing. Me know delayed ball, too early ball. Me know every ball on time. Me know all of the ball.
Raga, about 2 weeks ago, you know, when my grandnephew come down here and I say, Hillian too cute. And I say, what? And he must say, all right, I'm going to give Miss Long Island your number and give her your address to make she comfy, you can dry you through the grill. You know? And he must tell me, say, him the on an artist page and see the artist put up the night when I come on and say, nibble the breast and put the hand in the baggie and just roll along the baggie.
Right.
And the amount of comments I want to the granny there.
Yeah. No,
and
because...
them beat me bad.
No, them...
Instagram.
No, me put it up on my page, you know. We put it up on my...
Some of them they on your page.
Yeah.
And them beat me left, right, and center. And all me they on so me famous, but me a star.
Exactly.
And that's me a behave, you know.
Exactly. Because you understand the thing. So you know, say a joke and you just, you understand the thing. You know, get worried and emotional. And when them a beat me for what them say about me and whatever thing like that. You see?
So me ask them if them comment and them say, no, auntie, me no comment. Me say, you're idiot. Instead of you comment and say, a CRP. You understand me?
Yeah.
They say, no, auntie, me just read the comment and I hear what them are saying. So I say, LOL. You know?
Now, mama, put it up, man, and them, you know, some of them anity, but most people just laugh. They found it funny because it was funny, you know? So.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand? So
hey,
I know
Alien too cute. You're a star a long time. You're a star a long time. Alien too cute. ETC. You star a long time them for know. Alright? Yeah. You.
Me born a star and me a go die as a star.
Exactly. So the one all Nakita can't come bad mind you and all these things. If you allow you make your stars shine and blaze. You understand? Don't?
Exactly.
Okay.
I want to Tina and Messi. Me here, at and spicy ask them and yeah, say them a do them thing. Them a have their own show.
No, them not gonna call back. Put it that way then.
Oh.
Okay. Hear you.
They
Oh.
They get beaten left, right, and center.
Don't worry about it. Everything good. Everything good. See? See, but everything good otherwise, though.
Yeah, man, me there now go and prepare for the Christmas at the favorite time of the year this because although you can get it right through the year, me love ham and sorrel.
Ham and sorrel.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so your time of the year this for
yes,
because sorrel drink round the year now, one time going on the Christmas sorrel drink,
but afford ham, you can eat it right round the year.
Right. Big up your man them eat ham right round the year and thing. Eat up on a little pork right round the year and thing. All right.
And who eat porky too.
And who eat porky too. So weird.
Yes.
Porky different from pork?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't.
Yeah, porky are the one in the baggy.
Oh, you have to go spell it out. You know, see, I fake me that I fake I go on like some, I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, we have to go break for 3 minutes here, so please big up yourself, all right?
Take care and bless up you and your family.
It goes some man. Alien too cute that it is, people. You don't know the thing set, every Friday night. At the top of the hour, we have to break for 3 hours for the 93.5. Do them thing. That is how it is here in New York City. In Jamaica, you're going to hear some odds and thing. Up here, it's a similar thing. And of course, after the 3 minutes, we juggle back and we go and blaze with things same. But me not really hear no, me not really hear no real good fake orgasm yet. Hey, back in the day when we were at Jamaica, this turn over a long time, Jamaica people ramp, and when they climb up, we build back the vibes, people not but afraid of people, man, afraid of ourselves, man. When we come back, just call in and just do the thing, man. Yeah, right, just load up a thing, man, and make we just laugh and enjoy ourselves. Too much stress out there in the world, Ukraine, this and that and whatever. Donald Trump has sell Superman card himself for $99. And listen to me, man, I saw the thing there. All right, now seriously do Donald Trump, like for real? Where you depend my out? Ringy, how you for do that? Anyway, we're going to take a break. We're soon forward, 3 minutes time.
This is Romain Virgo and you're locked into the Bridge 99 FM. Your Caribbean vibes amplified. Easy.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Back in the juggling, we're in a Ragashanti live in the ears on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, and also IrieJam radio here in New York City, Queens, New York to be exact. Once a big respect to everybody out there and thing, and a big respect to me, all of my Augustone people, all of my Southside people, all of my White House people, what we say Colorado Bed, what we say Seaview, what we say Penwood Road and Benz Road, and I don't know the levels and thing, be a farm road, everything is everything. Southside large upon itself, on the native son, Ragashanti, now left for no, never, because it's all about for Ivor and for Ivor. Blake Road, big up yourself. Widows Lane, large up yourself. Clover Valley Road, big up yourself. When we say Gold Street, this are the foundation and thing facing East Queen Street Baptist Church, a church where Ragashanti used to go, And big up Calabar, all age right at the corner at James Street and Sutton Street, Summit Lane, all the things said. When we say Spoilers, Massive and thing, when we say Wildman Street, Tex Lane, and the whole Lissan family and all them things. When we say Charles Street, Beeson Street, North Street, from over Georges, go all the way back over to West Kingston, Pan Spanish Town, ends and all them things there, Big up on yourself and everything. All of me get to fabulous people. Big up on yourself. Ratings max out for Ivor and for Ivor. Don't you know? Yeah. Big up Percy Street, Big up Regent Street, Wellington Street, and Bread Lane, all right? Big up Anna Town. Big up Jungle. Big up Craig Town and all them place there and thing large upon yourself. Jonestown and I don't know it going on. Janet Benbow ends out and thing and everything. All right? Big up on yourself. Anything for the Maxwell and thing and I don't know levels to the thing. Greenwich Town, Greenwich Farm and thing. Anything for the Waltham, anything for the Ugly Park Road, anything for the Spanish Town Road. Seal and sign. Set in a stone. Diamond, can't crack. The whole works down. Anyway, we're up on a thing. Unafraid of the thing here. Unafraid, what are we unafraid of the thing? Hey! A clown and a clown out the thing. As usual, we want to call him about anything we want to call him about, yeah? Keep the Friday energy, the jiggy and all these things, yeah? But at the same time, we want to hear somebody call in and give it them best fake orgasm sound. Them best fake orgasm sound, right? We want somebody call in and give it the best fake orgasm sound because we are so right now. You have some woman that do fake orgasm and now do the thing good. And then on a turn around and I blame the man them and whatever and thing. And we are say even if we not go fake it, we have to fake it good too. Because even if we not fake, now even come out good, it go turn me off. You understand? Yeah. Because fake can't turn on somebody, you know, if the fake do good. Acting is fake, you know. The movie star them is fake. But they are celebrated and they're really good when they are so fake that them real. That is essentially what good acting is. To play somebody else, a character, so real that when you are watching, for the period of watching that movie, you are suspended in a separate reality from who that person really is because they are so good. That's why you get scared. That's why you get frightened. That's why you get this and that because they're so good at being fake that it come over real. It's the same thing with orgasm. It's the same thing with orgasm. So me as a man, I tell some man, woman out there, you know, we are here saying the thing, you know. You know, so we have some fun tonight, right? So when somebody call in and give it them best fake orgasm sound. If you're calling from the United States, anywhere in New York City or anywhere in the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Give me a call at Jordan. Hello. Uh-oh. What happened? Look like person get cut off. And again, from New York or Canada, from America or Canada, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, your best fake orgasm sound, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. To the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
Good night. What go on?
Yes, my brother.
My day I give thanks, you know. Where you up to?
Well, my day, Raga, Sunday my birthday, you know. Yes, nobody come business with me, you know.
What you mean? Them say what me can't say, Listen to me. When a Jamaican say or you have to work with it. I always sound them there.
No, but it not sound so healthy.
You think you eat?
Yes.
Hey, what go on, boo-boo?
Well, my dear Rasta, go on, I take on in.
You see?
Raga, me not have nose, nobody come ask me, but I got, me not make no noise, me keep silent. But hold on, pan something strong. I'm two of them not stop move upon them things there. But muscle up.
No. Even when you hold on pan something and muscle up on your toe, even if you don't make loud sound, you make low sound.
Yes.
Right. No, me want,
sound.
at least let me hear some of them low sound.
Raga.
Hold on, don't give me the man. Yeah, you know, say no phone I set a wimp, on a coward. All right.
Yes, not coward.
All right, well on. All right. Me, I gonna make some low man sound where we make when we are doing whatever, right? Yeah, you ready for hear it? All right? All right, listen now. These are some man sound, some low man sound.
Hey, Raga.
No. Hold on. Hold that thought before you go around me. So you see how me fearlessly make a low man sound. You can't make a sound, just make your low sound. All right, yeah.
I have a big man what me there with from back in the days.
Yeah.
And I'm there, the man I go and look at things. Me the man I make some like a funny sound. I say, what is? You know me I say? So when me and him done and whatever now, me one big man now. And me say to her, I mean, you know them there attack. I say, me the man I make some sound. I what kind of sound them there? And she tell me, say, I like the man like it. That's why I make so much sound.
But then, so like, what was the sound like? What was it like? Give us some idea.
Well, Raga, a long time, I don't remember.
No, stop go around me, man. You're going like, say, you take me for idiot and whatever. Yo, them in the business, them we can't remember. You remember them something there, you remember? All right. You know what enough man fear? One of the greatest fear for man is if you get some good sort out and you make some gangster sound, but the way the sort out good, and when I look at it like all a slight girl sound go creep out tonight and frighten you. You know about that something there?
No.
That never happened yet?
No, Raga, because...
No, your sort out no good then. Your sort out no good then.
Raga,
Your sort out no good.
Man.
Huh?
Raga, me the one man for 20 odd years, you know.
Yeah.
And me and him do a thing, but we never make no goal for nice and all that look at things.
No, but you know, for me, even the liquor nice, you know, even the liquor nice, all right, what the nice what him make? Give me some...
That's what I'm saying. He did not make it that nice.
Well, the two on the sort out, it pop down then.
Yes, well, it was some the kid. Pop down, listen.
Listen to me, you sort out, it pop down. All the whole of your life, you sort down, it pop down. But what? From what?
From 12, no, from 2 o'clock right until all the next morning.
When I do it, done.
Of course. That's how we have foreign restaurant.
No, then hold on. No, and you do it. I don't make no, from 2 o'clock in the afternoon, way back till all the next day.
No, not in the afternoon.
Oh, like 2 o'clock in the night?
Like so, we would go to a club.
Yeah.
I would drink, I would come in back, I would bring the liquor.
Yeah.
And them time they would depend the liquor pelico.
Seeing. And the little cess and all these things, yeah?
Listen, Ragai.
Yeah.
You know what is pelico? Yes, it says.
Well, I go, but remember, pelico is an 80s word, you know, it use a different thing, you know. But what you call pelico now?
So you don't know what is pelico. From the 80s word, for real.
Me know about what the white stuff, the white stuff you have.
Yes, I got a one-on-one.
Okay, you used to touch or something there. Okay, and then what?
Yes, that's about the 80s. Come early raga. Is it now them things the raga is like, you know, 15. Is it true you are 15?
Okay.
You understand what I say?
Yeah,
man.
Yeah.
That's the man crew, man.
Yeah.
Said we can do someone 46 and 8.
Yeah.
And 8 come, yeah, man.
So, well, on. So, when I said, then, you know, start out from 2 o'clock in the morning and right back in the next afternoon. And you don't make no sound? You don't make no sound?
I don't remember if you make no sound, Raga. Because...
You pop down like, boy, you don't remember if you make no sound. Afraid for that. Why? What are we on afraid of, man?
Raga.
Huh?
Raga, me is not a nice maker, as me I tell you.
But you must make little sound. You must make little. Even the people. What?
All right, listen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Like what?
Like, that's it. You know what I mean? You know them little beanie sound there?
Well, like,
me not ball like what some people are
no, you're not ball up, but so make we hear the beanie sound then. Give me a sample of the beanie.
Say that they hear it.
No, me not hear it. You can't just make we hear the sound, make it sound, man. You know, remember you're in your house and nobody not see you going like you're on stage on a Madison Square Garden. Just make, just hold on, make we just hear the little baby sound them what you make. Make we hear it.
Raga, leave me alone. Me no remember no sound.
Just no, then how you call me for then?
You understand? Yes, Raga. Listen to what you know, Raga. Raga, you don't think so them girl here. When them don't count them finger and them take much man.
Yeah.
And them don't breed Raga. It's not even one of them man the Raga.
Yeah.
What do you think about them people, eh?
There's nothing wrong with that.
Is that right, Raga? Listen.
Yeah.
What is their legacy, Raga?
What you just say? When them young girl and nowadays them take a woolly pa man and a breed for none of them, you think there's something wrong with that?
Raga, yes, Raga. But I soon tell about that part. I say, what is their legacy?
What you mean legacy? What? You know what?
Legacy. Anybody legacy. What is their legacy? Anybody legacy.
I know you're going to do that Jamaican thing, well, they're all over the world, and talk about children.
Yes.
All right.
What is legacy?
No, but let me ask you something, because when you keep on and do this thing, you want to stigmatize the people who choose not to have children. Well, no, man, let me talk, no, man. You're going like, you know what, me talk and think. Let me talk, man. Let me talk, man. Let me talk, man. Let me talk. Me come and talk. I'm not paying a license for my mouth. What me I say? What me I say? What is wrong if some people choose not to have children? Why uno insist to stigmatize and put down these people who, for whatever reason, them choose not to have children? Not to mention the ones them who cannot have children and not telling them business. Why uno go around and castigate the people themselves? Why uno keep on and do them something there?
Raga, listen, Raga. I'm not castigating no one, Raga. But listen, Raga.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, a woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go around and she just take peer man, so just make man, because me call that, me don't know me call that, like some using business, me no business. You understand? I make man just use you up so Raga, and then just leave, and when you're out the street, them woman you can't even look for them, some of them you can't even talk to them back. Raga, what I say, Raga, what these little ladies need to do, Raga? Them say pitney now hold the man, but them now hold the man. Make the man them live something with them. That means that when the man them gone, you understand? Them have something to go home, go hug up.
All right. See, you gone pan the next thing again now, because here what you do now. You persecute women who let me talk. Cause me hear what you say. And me and a fool. When me did there 17 Percy Street, and me tell my mother say, me not feel like go school because all day in the back of me show one box in my neck back and say, listen to me, don't make me hear you say that again and go school. So Miss Cherry Boy Penny have sense. Don't play with me. Let me talk. Listen to me. Let me talk. Don't, you're not going on me. Don't change the subject. Let me talk. Let me talk. A while ago, you just persecuted women who may have chosen to sleep with who them want to sleep with, or how many them want to sleep with, and if them don't want nothing from a man and thing, you're going to look on them woman and say, but look at them woman, they have sex out there, them there with man and whatever, and them not have this and that for sure feet. What is wrong with that?
Listen, Raga, it's not like this and what for sure feet, Raga. But Raga, some of them have no kids, and them understand take man, so Raga.
What is wrong with that? What if they choose? What if they choose not to have kids? What if they choose not to have kids? What is wrong with a woman who...
Raga, listen, they need somebody to speak to them to make them know. Raga.
Damn foolish this here chat. Damn foolish this here chat. What you say? You'd rather have 10 picnic and what?
Listen, I'd rather have 10 picnic because if I take 10 man and I'd rather the 10 of them breed me and left me with the picnic them. I'd say thank you. I'd say thank you because see when them gone, me have to picnic them. I have them stress no more for think about them because them don't the pity them there when me go hug up and them come hug me up and come kiss me and make me feel good at them they're my legacies. Legacy. Some people are talking about work and career and them little things there. You're gonna get whole and your body are gonna mash down anywhere. Make when it mash down here, you have your kids them. Because when they get old, not even your friend them. Hello, you hear me?
No, me I listen to you, me I make you talk.
Yes. When you get old and them little things, not even your friend them, you're going to see you alone and going to itch up there. That's why
right.
no people die.
Hold on. You know what is sad? You say, oh, you are meds? You have a whole heap of Jamaican women who think that way. And then you say, oh, you have whole it and a defend it and whatever. Pass on them things that to the young girls them. And then hold on, man.
Them kids. Them need to have them kids. Kids is legacy. Those are your legacy.
Oh my God.
You understand? When you're out the street and you're in a problem and them little things there, you come home to them kids there. And 6 of them are call you and I tell you what now and I hug you up. And I kiss you up.
Hold on. Are you aware? Hold on. Are you aware that you, as a woman who has said this, with the many thousands of other Jamaican women who believe the same thing like you, are you aware that this? God only love blame man for this and that and blame man for this and that. Are you aware that this thinking where you have right now, I know you have passed indictment against the young girls them who may choose not to go out there and have picnic and whatever and this and that, and here you are, you essentially rebuke them, you persecute them and thing and whatever and say them do. Are you aware that this attitude, when you dispense this to the young girl, that is why them run go out there and go breed upon about kind of picnic where they can't manage? Are you aware?
Them to breed, yes, them for breed, them will manage Raga. Your mother never have it.
God.
Mr. never have it. And Mr. still make you come and you're happy you come. No care which way you come. If your mother did evil get raped and you come, you still glad you come and there. May the pity them come.
What you just say?
Me say, if I were my mother, they did get raped. Me sorry for her and me come. Me give thanks because I'm here. Me enjoy the garden. You understand? I'm become a mother too and grandmother. It's like, you understand me? I say, yeah, it feel good. When you have your kids them, when you go warm, you go hug them up. And when you get old, them big and them dead.
All right.
You understand?
You're old where you're old, but just for close out before I go to our next card, I just want to respectfully submit the following. That big up all mothers out there, big up all mothers who, however you, you got your kids and thing, and however whatever your struggles you go through and thing, and you make it happen, like you hear the caller saying and thing like that. But I also want to big up the women them out there who, being aware that we live in a culture where, for both men and women, but even worse for women, where if you don't have any children, you hear the caller how she attack, and she hold where she hold, right? If even when you don't have any children, people reduce your humanity, somehow you're incomplete, somehow, they try to make it feel like you're doing something wrong because, God forbid, you choose. You have the autonomy, the independence, the self-determination to have as much sex what you want to have because it's your choice, your body. To have as much fun what you want to have, sleep with who you want to sleep with, how many people you want to sleep with is your choice, right? And you are comfortably in your space and cool with that because you're happy and contented with what you have. And then somebody now are going to see this and know what going through your mind, why you make the choices where you make and whatever. But based on some cultural norms where them come sit in the country, them adapt it and keep it and think say it's normal, it's organic, it's natural and whatever. And them are going to try to put it down. To you women out there, I'm saying, just go and big up on yourself. Right? You're just as much a human being as anybody else, and you have a right to, determine your happiness, all you have. And if you don't want to have children, nothing is wrong with that, right? How many times we see mothers that go through some things with picnic and do some things and whatever, and what the first thing fly out of her mouth. Then if she knows so, I say what she gonna have them for, right? So big up the woman them who just all know say, motherhood is not for me, so I'm not gonna put a child through that. I'm big enough for that. That is maturity, all right? And to the who happy out there without kids, nothing wrong with that. Don't listen to Carla, you ain't gonna feel bad and all these things and whatever. You think you listen to me, man, then go and cuss out your cloth or you come off. I'm going to take some other car. I go empty your chimney now and wash it out and all these things, okay? How was she gone? Yo, hey Jordan, you know some talk some things on the radio all the while and people do them think I joke me I make when me I tell them say some things that we grew up with, You see where the stigma come from? You see how she hold it? You hear what she basically... It sounds so absurd. What you think about them women out there who have so much sex and thing and on a picnic for sure feet? It's like, it's crazy. It's crazy. So when them little young girl, them hear them something and they want to say, I have to go get picnic quick because I have to go get validated, don't it? I have to go breathe quick because I have to go get validated. It's the same thing for man, it's the same thing for woman. But it's worse. Them put it on the female, them even worse. If a woman have no picnic, the way I want to stigmatize them and put them down and treat them bad and thing, it's terrible. How they need to stop it. Hello. Carla, hello. Nobody there, sir. Hello? Oh, well, I need to push up this. Yeah. Hello? No. My voice a loop. No? I ranked him, I push up. Eh? You Jordan? Which one? This? The call gone? But Jordan, this... Check. Well... Jordan, I be a foolish as me, I do. I forgot to tell him for doing it because my voice a loop here. All right, 888-546-8742. Suddenly, the show makes an interesting pivot. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. To the phone line, we go, hello.
Good night.
Jordan, bring in that call, man. What me not?
Good night.
Hello?
Good night.
Who this?
Robert, man.
What you want?
So we can't call this show again.
No, you get banned, but somebody save you what there, because a beer foolish is you keep up,
What me do now?
Don't ask me what you do, because you know what you do. So don't come ask what you do like you take me for idiot. What you mean that? How we about what me do? You think a dolly house thing with the pan?
No, what me do? Just tell me what me do now, and me can't...
Well, cut him off. Cut off him call, right away, cut off him call. We're done with the foolishness with him. But what me do like him no know what him do. Yeah. We know you not joke and dolly house thing with your Robert. When you know what you do, and think if you come back, don't come out about what me do. Like you don't know what you do. A fool you take you for. You must think say we are yo in this. Don't bother call back this way. Go and go play some jacks. Go play 1, 2, 3 red light. Go play bullying at the pen with yourself. Go play hopscotch. Go play Simon Says somewhere else. Anyway, next call. Hello.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, Wagwan.
Brother.
Yeah.
Right. Hey, you know, Sammy, I call and I big up Robert the other night, you know.
Yeah.
But what am I going like my idiot? Before we just get to the part where I'm called about, am I going like my idiot?
But what me do? Me tell you, say him did have a call, and you save him because you say, when him call Carleen, him did behave himself, and Carleen say, I saw you if you behave yourself now, or something. And Robert listen to the show every night, but what me do? Like him take man for food.
Hey, brother.
Yeah.
Miss what's name again? The woman that she work for skills. What's your name again?
The woman with what?
I have a lot of skills, man. You should work plenty things.
Yeah, Miss multi-talented, yeah.
Multi-talented, yeah. We have some work for her, you know.
You have some work, what?
We have some landscaping work for her.
Some landscaping?
Yes, she have come with a lawnmower,
yeah.
a weed whacker, a rake.
Yeah.
She can make a nice money for Christmas.
All right then, cool. She'll listen, multi-talented, I'll listen then and think so. Which name if you give her? Which name you want to give her out this year?
Eh?
Which name you want to give her? What name you want to give her, say your name?
Oh, no, Mr. Lover.
Mr. Lover. Multi-talented Mr. Lover have some work for you here. So you just, call the radio station and then we give you the link and thing or whatever. Some landscaping. So what you say differently?
Eh?
Eh? What you say differently?
Yeah, the ladies who most time when we are start out, they must say, oh, Mr. Lover, Mr. Do It Nice. Ooh, you're so fabulous and all them things.
That them said, oh?
Yeah, man.
You're boring now. You're boring. Hey, you're boring a while ago, you know. Jano, you're boring a while ago, you know. If I that the ladies, if ladies them say I saw them go on there, you're not going with nothing. You not get no stripe for that. You don't even get a corporal stripe. You don't even get a lance corporal stripe for that. In fact, don't even wear the uniform. You're not a soldier. You're not a soldier.
Look here.
You're water boy. You're water boy.
Now what a boy?
Yeah, you're not a soldier. Because if you say, yeah, put on the work on the woman them, and when the woman them are your words, and this is how you say, yeah, Raga, when I put on the work on the woman them, and this them say, oh, Mr. Lover, Mr. Lover, okay, Mr. Lover, like, I that you come here hype with? I that you come here hype with? Eh?
You're not repeating exactly what I tell you, sir.
No, what you mean? Upon the radio, you just say it, and I tell you, say you're boring a while ago.
Okay. Well, probably I can't formulate the words exactly how them say it.
All right, well on. All right, try again. When you put on the word, good for woman and them make sound. You tell what the sound them with them make.
Eh?
You tell what the sound them with them make.
I can only repeat it, but my voice can't portray how exactly how it sounds from
Oh,
them.
you can't perform it, but you can't repeat it. All right, repeat what them said to you when you put it on them.
Oh, Mr. Lover, you're so great. Don't stop, honey. Oh, boy, you're so good. Take me to the moon and back. Oh, God, you're so great. And all these things. You hear me?
No, 1 second. Just stay where you're there. Just Satan, you can't prevail. Satan, you can't prevail. Because of disobedience, God throw you out of heaven. Satan, you want to know that the church is moving on. Satan, you can't prevail. Yeah, what you did I say now?
Well, so what is Satan now?
Then I must you are the Satan.
Why?
You know, sister, you are the Satan. You know, sister, the devil turn up in here. That's why you're there, chat, be a foolishness. So when I feel like get some spirit and then kind of shake off your crosses right here now and whatever. I be a foolishness, you're chatting our years old right here now.
I hear you, sir.
But Mr. Lover Lover and Mr. Lover Lover. And which woman I got to ask her when you put it Mr. Lover Lover and Mr. Lover Lover? Like, what you think you're shaggy? You're shaggy? You favor shaggy? You favor shaggy? All right, well, let me take 2 other calls, man, because you ramp out the thing. All right, big up yourself. No, we're going to take 2 other calls. We're going to take, in fact, Jordan, we have to take a break. Jordan, we have to take a break, are we good? Okay, good. Next call. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Give me the card, Jordan. We're not play right now. We're not play. But Mr. Lava Lava, how you going so good? Mr. Lava Lava, put it on for me. Mr. Lava Lava, boy, lad, you wickedy, make you kill me. You murder me. Mr. Lava Lava, make you good, sir. What going?
I want to say that guy sounds so boring. Right now I'm sitting in my car, I'm dead with laughter.
You know, the man say, do you hear him good? That is how the ladies them go on. That is what he said.
It sounds so boring. Oh my God. Jesus.
What going with you, you know? What you say?
Okay, I'm going to give it a try.
No, man, you can't give it a try. All right, then. Just yes, okay, let's hear it. Okay, here we go.
Okay, it'd be like.
All right, mm-hmm.
Oh, baby, come close. Flip me over. Yeah. One of them guys.
Go on. In the done yet. Yeah, build up. Go on, man. I'm here with you. Come on. Go on.
I'm not giving you no more.
What you mean you not give me no more after you never give me none? Well, me couldn't afraid, so. Me couldn't afraid, so.
I'm not afraid, but okay. It's gonna be like, oh, baby,
yeah.
Right there, come closer.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah. Let me tell you something. You see me and you do it, and you make them sound and I laugh it out. So my body dead long time, you know, man. Listen to me, man. You can't. And what you do, you not work, man. You not work, man. Boy, you just.
Your body dead, but.
Yeah, no.
When your body hit it, it's gonna.
No, it's a no, you know. That what you do a while ago, that kill vibes.
When you're having sex, you're boring.
Who boring? Who, me?
I want to have fun when doing.
What you say, me boring?
Me want to laugh. I want to muck it and what?
What you say, what?
Laugh with me.
Me not hear what you say, you know. Me not hear what you say, you know. What you say a while ago, what?
Me say, I want you to laugh with me. Flip it over, spank it, hit it.
Oh, well, no. Well, no, that is fun. No, I must admit. That's something that if you go on and you have fun and you turn it over, you know, and you chat up a little thing, them and look laughing and go on and thing and whatever. And, you know, run out some little... Yeah, that nice. Yeah, them something that nice. But right now, we're focused on the fake orgasm sound. We say some woman a fake orgasm. I do fake orgasm and now do it good. What? You what?
No, because once the man get it, I want to be real up on it.
So when you tell me so you never fake not even one time?
Yeah, I did.
You say, yeah. You never.
Yeah, but I still try to make it sound good, though.
You do what? You fake and make it sound good?
Staying weird, but not gonna give him no boring nothing.
Okay. So what you say when you fake orgasm, you fake orgasm good though, so it's not boring theme. That you say, right?
It's staying weird.
The same.
I want him to feel good, yeah, man.
Oh, so you know how to fake orgasm and sound the same exact way you sound when you actually have an orgasm. That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
No, some women are good like that. I'm just saying some women are not good, you know? Some women are not good some women are good.
If it's my mind, if it's my man and I want to please him, even if I don't feel good that day, I'm going to fake it and make him feel like he did the work. Being weird.
Nothing wrong with that. If it's your man and you don't feel good that day, then whatever, you just want whatever, you're going to fake it and make him feel good and whatever. Right, and there are times when that is, that is understandable,
That's acceptable.
It's a part of adulting. It's a part of adulting. But let me tell you something as a man. You have some woman who feel like, say, boy, the way to make the man feel good is to make up one bag of knives and to give him the impression that and them just start make this one bag of fake knives where you're like, are you the man? You just know. Sometimes you do if not do nothing like that, and it's like the knives where them not make, not go with where you are do. Sometimes you just stay there easier in a zone where you cruise and thing and never make up one bigger knife. Yeah, like them in an opera like you're killing them and you're like shut up, you know?
For real. No, sir. I can't go on like me in opera.
Yeah,
okay. I just have to give it to him sweet.
Nah, but me notice that most of them do on afraid in a cloth, you know. Why when someone don't have no vibes, when they can't be calling and turn up a thing and whatever, on just afraid. So I like you. You know, see how they embarrass. You embarrass a while ago, you know, that's why you're laughing, you know.
Me not embarrassed. Me coming home from work.
What?
And me take you in. I'm coming home from work.
Right.
And me take you in.
Right.
And me sitting in my car and me couldn't even get out my car.
You can't even get out of your car because you're there. I listen to the madness and I laugh. Yeah. Well, you don't know a Ragashanti, so I saw the thing said. No. Everything is everything. So, well, are you a car you drive or a barrow car? A barrow car you drive or your car?
No, sir. I got my own car. I work, man.
Okay. No, then you can't work on. You can't work on the man make you all drive the wife car.
No, sir. I got my own thing.
Okay.
My own.
All right. I trouble you, man. But here you are explaining.
No, I'm just letting you know I got my own thing. No,
all right.
My own.
It's all good. It's all good. I hear you. Go do your thing. Go. You're all right, you modern girl, right there. All right. Raga loves you. Bless up yourself, all right? That's that word, yeah?
I love you too.
All right, man. Protection and blessing. All right, people, watch your ride. We're going to have a quick break. And break soon forward.
Decades of hits from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the Bridge 99 FM, the station for everyone.
New style, yes, new flow, yes.
The Bridge.
The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Back in the juggling on the upside of about 12 minutes to go before we are out of here. The number is 888-546-8742. Again, that's from the United States or Canada. The number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. With 12 minutes to go, you know, me still not give up, you know. Say, somebody have a call in and give it a seller slapway rendition of a good fake orgasm sonic ordeal, right? Sound, okay? Somebody gonna call in and give it a good up fake orgasm sound. We're gonna see if it's a hammer. 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Want to send off respect, big respect to all the members of Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Big up on yourself. We had our members only party Saturday gone, and it was so much fun. To all of the members who could not have been there, you know, if you're going at the members only section on Ragashanti TV over YouTube, you'll see the link to watch it for yourself. It's long though. It's about 4 or 5 hours long. So, but you can check it out to your heart's content. All right? Again, that's just for the people who are members over Ragashanti TV on Facebook. That's my home, the home of my craziness, and the home of an archive of hundreds of shows, past and present, Ragashanti live shows, free up shows, Ragashanti live now, Ragashanti radio classics from the past and all them things there for your viewing and listening pleasure, for your laugh and learn and all these things. See? What you say, Jordan? Hello, yeah. Greetings.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
Ilian, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, Ilian go like say she have no sense.
What you mean?
Ilian so like somebody collective to you?
Yeah, man, with a joker, you know.
Because she go like Pitney a promotion. Pitney is not promotion, you know.
Oh, hold on. Which Ilian you attack?
No, I'm not talk too cute. The one we just call you well. Like
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, she attack. Okay, she attack. Yeah, wow, yeah.
She go like she have sense. You know, she say she go like say she crack.
Well, no, it's you know, crack, you know. It's a very, 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 very strong imperative in Jamaican culture. And it is there for men and it is there for women. If you don't have children, then something wrong with you, right? Academics have all kind of explanation for it, why it was developed amongst black people and sustained and treated in a way where it's supposed to be sacred because it contributed to the survival of the group. So their thing is cultural mores and rules and things, they serve an evolutionary purpose. And what they mean by that is it's about group survival. So if, to put it simple, the idea is when you exist in a setting where you can lose your life real quick, i.e. slavery, the group develops an imperative where in defiance of this thing where your life is so fragile, which may lead to the genocide of the group, it therefore becomes imperative that you have children for the group to survive. And this is an impetus that exists all over the world. And the argument that is that it was developed amongst black people for the same similar thing. And that is why up to this day, it's a transgenerational thing passed down, where people just born in it, so them just follow it, but them don't know how it came about, you know? And that a for them argument, but it's just sad that these, people, them end up a judge people, especially women, and, essentially persecute them, stigmatize them, reduce their humanity and things. And there's so many women out there who can't have children, and they too suffer, from people who are labeling them weird and things like that. And that is unfortunate.
Only a woman can have pitney raga and choose not to have children.
True.
And the one them who can afford it, and them no run it down, so some who run it down and who can afford it and have up the whole heap and wanted picking them and expect other people to help them with them.
Exactly. And if a woman knows that she can't go there, so she can't. Yeah. Oh, Brittany, we are leaving and things, so them have to see where the mother two call her, yes, here. But big up yourself, man. Love and blessings, here. Yeah. All right. Yeah, Jordan, come, give me a call. Yeah. Come on. Hello? Oh, what happened? What them did that blink on Jordan, I don't know. On the callback, people, we have like 6-7 minutes to go. 888-546-8742. You see, 888-546-8742. Real quickly, no for no be Lisa hype up because she go in a church one day and she baptized. And she still wear up her outfit them and all these things, her sexy outfit them and her half-naked outfit. And she still sing her dancehall music and thing like that and whatever. And no for no burn her out. And I say she take God for Papi Show. And she take God for this and she take God for that. Because, again, she go in a church a couple weeks ago and thing, baptized. Then she leave and then she in a dancehall same way. And I cock up same way and I wind up same way and I go on with her thing then. Listen to me, I want to stop judging woman. You want to stop judging woman. Because again, you know, if you follow someone who that thing say God follow foolishness. Stop judging me. All right, let me try one at hello. Hello?
Yo,
Yeah, what going?
Where's the man?
Yeah, where's?
Yeah, I mean Winston again.
Yeah. Who this?
You know that I don't have too much time, so I'm not stay too long. Just want to give you a shot with the story.
We have like
all
4
right,
minutes to go in.
All right, 4 minutes. They were on girl the other night, brother, and the girl, of course, be about rolling the mirrors. You know when you walk the thing?
Yeah.
And she depends. I want you go so fast. Slow down, man. Slow down. Hey, girl, take body. You take my money, take body too. There's a box up on her body. You know, not hard, but you know, some love taps.
Oh, you did a box up on her body, not hard, but some love taps on her bottom, though. And then where you said to her, where you put it up on her, what you say?
Yeah, it's me for a while, I go so hard and fast.
Yeah. So you did go hard and fast, is true? You did go hard and fast, is true? So,
shit.
No, you can't say that on the radio, man. You know you can't say that, man. We are beat up a thing for.
Sorry. Yeah, man, I be hey, is that it? Hey.
Oh. So you never did that? At no point you did that go soft and gentle. You never go soft and gentle with her?
Yeah, man, like, when you start off, you know, look at soft, look at something, and then steam build up, and then it's gone, you know.
So what you said to her? What you said she would take what? What you said to her, what?
You say you take my money, take body too.
Oh, so you sing the cartel song to her?
Yeah.
No, but tell me how you say it to her. Say it the way you say it to her.
Say, hey girl, take body, take my money, take body too. Bang, pan her body, bang. She said, nice, but I like it, want you.
And that she said? No.
Same thing she said, man.
Okay, all right. It sounds like you did not do your thing, though. You did not handle your business, man, all right?
What you mean, man? I'm going to ramp with the juvie, man.
Oh, you're going to ramp with the juju when you work it, no?
Nah, man, not something to play with.
Okay, all
right.
Huh?
All right, then. You know,
yeah.
You don't want to hold up too much of your time.
All right, then. Let's say a word, man. Cool. Jordan, what happened to you? All right, people. Oh, God. Sonita. Like, seriously? That is what you're saying about the gentleman? Oh, my God. Anyway, people, bless up on yourself, you know. Why, I try tonight. I try. If I get to the go hard and thing. But, boy, I'm going to stubborn up a thing, you know, man. Boy, I had some of the ladies in there back in the day, you know, when but I feel a lot of quirks and lyrics and whatever. I'm a good behaving boy, I know, you know. And all them things, but you know, stubborn up a thing, man. You don't really come in and deal with the thing. But the show did nice still. The vibe did nice still, and you don't know. And, Ilian come with her heavy talk, but people may tell you, a lot of Jamaicans think that way, right? Them used to call me Iron Balloon. Jordan, them used to call me Iron Balloon, you know what that mean? You know what that mean? Iron balloon, you know it's a balloon can bust. So you may never have no youth yet. Them say you're iron balloon, you can't get a bus. Yeah, a Jamaica that for you, you know. Yeah, my friend Jennifer Goodas used to say, ashy sperm, raga. Yeah, ashy sperm. I said them used to deal with me, you know. That's why I tell multi-talented, say, you can't come here, so come get in soft heart when you get beaten. I want to tell multi-talented, you know how much beating me get over the years. And see, then, when me have 3 youth now, me I tell her, say, boy, Raga, we have to big you up, you're going good. Yeah. And none of them not help me buy that up. I say, and think them are going like say picnic cheap and all them things and whatever. But me tell people all the while, you know, Jamaican man down this one them picnic. Them may not be a father, but them down this one them. Who a 10 me get, a 5 me get, you know, this and that and whatever. Just to be a man and just to be a woman according to the cultural rules. and thing. But if people don't have any children, treat them good same way. They're just as much human like anybody else. Take care of yourself, people, and thing. I'll be back on Monday. Wait, Monday what date? May I work Monday? Monday? I'm Monday? Okay, all right. I should be back on Monday. I know one of them Monday when I work. Okay. And the people in New York now hear me now, but the people in Jamaica hear me right now. Jamaica, big up on yourself. I'll be back on Monday. Right, just at 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, see me on the Bridge 99 FM. You see? Right? And just stay tuned on the station, lock in on the station. Take care of you and yours and be careful in the Yuletide season, the holiday season. Be careful when you go out the road because you don't know the opportunistic predators. They are out there looking for a chance to make you a victim in some way or the other. Be aware of everything that is happening around you. Pay attention and think. Take care of you and yours. Watch your head back. Watch your family head back and think. Sooner Monday. All right. Blessings and respect. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.